Hello techies, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is your friend Stephen Raj. I am back with another project. This time it is a chatbot. Yeah, it is a healthcare chatbot. I am glad to introduce you to Nalam. Hey Nalam,
Hi, Eflin.
say hello to our viewers.
Hello, viewers.
I'm just kidding. Nalam is a healthcare chatbot. Nalam is developed to make a diagnose by symptoms and to get detailed information about more than 445 health problems. Nalam is also trained to recognize more than 280 symptoms. The detailed information includes name, description, possible symptoms, treatment, and medical condition of the health problem. It is also designed to manage all user inputs. Nalam is developed on IBM Watson Assistant, IBM Cloud Function, and API Medic. In this video, I will show the demo. Without any delay, let's get started. This is Nalam. This website link is given in the description section. Please note Nalam is developed on trial plan of IBM Watson Assistant. So the integration may change after a few days. Now let's chat with Nalam. You can ask Nalam to make diagnose by symptoms or to get detailed information about the health problem. Now I am going to choose diagnose by symptoms. Later I will show you how to get detailed information about the health problem. As soon as you choose diagnose by symptoms, you will be asked to enter your gender and year of birth. Now you can enter symptoms up to 6. If you want to enter multiple symptoms at a time, please separate it by comma. Now you can diagnose by entered symptoms or clear all entered symptoms and enter it again, or you can enter next symptoms. As soon as you choose diagnose by entered symptoms, it will analyze the entered symptoms and it will come up with some predictions of health problems that you might have. From here, you can return to the service list, or you can diagnose another time, or you can get information about the disease, or you can close the chat. Now I'm going to show you how to get detailed information about the health problem. Now Nalam is provided the detailed information about flu. The detailed information includes name of the disease, description, possible symptoms, treatment, and medical condition of the health problem. Here it is flu. From here you can go back to the service list or get information about another health problem or close the chat. Now I'm going to show you how Nalam will respond if you enter any wrong input. If you enter any wrong input instead of health problem, Nalam will ask you to look at its health problem database and enter it again. This is Nalam's health problems database. Back to Nalam. If you enter any wrong input instead of symptoms, Nalam will ask you to look at its symptoms database and enter it again. This is Nalam's symptoms database. Nalam's resources are available at my GitHub repo. The link is given in the description section. If you want to build Nalam, you can use this. With this, we came to the end of this video. I hope you like this project Nalam. If you want me to do IBM Watson tutorial videos, please let me know in the comment section. For more videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. If you want to contact me, you can contact me at all the social media. All the links are given in the description section. See you in my next video. Have a great day.